Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
Thank you for asking. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together led by the class leader. Who is the leader? Mira Farsa. Mira. Okay, Mira, go ahead.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Okay, now I will check your attendance first. If I call your name, raise your hand and say present.
Okay, Miss.
Dana,
Present.
Gadis,
Present.
Dipa, present. Mira,
Present.
Esti, present. Risa.
Present.
Okay, before we study, let's ice breaking first. The ice breaking is Simon Say. Do you know?
Yes.
Simon Say. Now, but in this ice breaking, the Simon Say will change with teacher say. So the rule is if you can follow my commands or instruction if only if I say teacher say. But if I don't say teacher say, don't move. Okay.
Okay.
Clear.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's start ya.
Yes, Miss.
Teacher say take a selfie. Type a comment.
This.
Teacher say take a video.
How are you today? Di sini, Miss.
Teacher say open your eyes. Okay.
Good job.
Good job everyone. Okay class. Do you remember last week we learned about what?
Conversational transaction.
Commercial transaction.
Yeah.
What is it?
Yang jual beli loh.
Jual beli. Okay, good. But today we are going to learn about the next material. The next material is, can you guessing? Di awal tadi Miss bilang kalian suruh ngapain? Instruction. Itu biasanya materi apa?
Prosedur
Teks. Betul. Today we are going to learn procedure text. Nah, but before that, let me ask you one question. If you read this on social media, do you prefer a short list or a long paragraph?
Short list.
Why? Is it good?
Easy to understand.
Yeah, good. Okay. Now we are going to learn about procedure text. Okay, our goals in this lesson. The first one is you must analyze the social function, generic structure, like goals and text step, and then limit features of this text, and identify or transform standard sentences into correct imperative verbs, and the last is extract specific information from a digital lifestyle guide accordingly. So let's start to the first material. So what is procedure text or tips? Risa, can you read this slide?
Yes. What is procedure text or tips? Short functional text used to provide a series of advice, suggestion, and or practical steps to achieve a specific goals or maintain a good condition, focus, behavior, habits, and lifestyle.
Okay, jadi today we are going to learn about procedure text, but in the tips category. This is different from our material before, yeah. In this tips category, the text also include advice, suggestion, or practical step to achieve a specific goal or maintain a good condition. Nah, fokusnya in the tips kategori itu biasanya behavior, habits, or lifestyle. like how to manage our money as a student, or how to use a phone, how to use laptop like that. Okay. Next is generic structure. Ashley, can you read this one?
Generic structure. The first is goal. The goal is the main objective or target outcome, and the step is chronological list of direct action to follow. Unlike comprehensive, a tips text category does not require an ingredients or material section.
Nah, jadi in the tips category, the generic structure only two part. The first is goal and then the step. This is different from food recipe yang biasa kita lihat itu kan di food recipe biasanya ada ingredients, ada materials. Nah, but in the tips category there is need ingredients and material. It's only a goal and step. Nah, jadi why? Karena di tips kategori ini kita hanya membutuhkan
There's no
instruksinya saja.
ingredients.
Yeah, there is no ingredient karena, for example, how to make how to manage our money as a student. We don't need materials. We just follow the instruction how to manage the money like that. Okay, so the goal is mean like the title of the text, and then the step chronological list of the action to follow. Any questions? No? Okay, let's continue. Nah, here the example of tips category. Deepa, can you read this slide? How to stay healthy on social media. Social media is fun but can make you tired or stressed. Follow the simple tips to keep your mind healthy. Limit your screen time to 1 hour a day. Second, unfollow accounts that make you feel insecure or sad. And then third, turn off your phone notification before sleeping. And the last, spend more time talking to your real world friends. Okay, thank you, Deepa. So, here's the example of tips category. Which one is good?
Stay healthy on social media.
Okay, how to stay healthy on social media. So that is goal or the title of this tips category. The step or the step?
Limit, unfollow, turn off,
Snap, spam. Do you know why the word like this is bold? Because instruction. Ya, biar kita mudah mengikuti instruksinya ya. Biasanya kalau di resep kan ada yang first, make or slice the tomato or one and another. But in the tips category, you just use direct action like limit, unfollow, turn off, and spam. You get it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Next, here the explanation about the language feature. So the word that we learned before is imperative verb. Start every single step with a command, word or action verb, like tadi, limit, unfollow, like that, and then direct action verb plus object or details. Nah, jadi language feature in the tips kategori itu biasanya ini ya yang digunain. Gak sebanyak yang biasanya resep makanan atau apa gitu. Di sini hanya menggunakan imperative verbs. Nah, nanti ini ada contohnya kalimatnya. Nah, sentence transformation standard suggestion. You should limit your screen time, but this sentence is too passive. Why? Because there is too many words in the tips category, we just simple sentence because we need to easy understand the tips category. Nah, we just use imperative command like limit your screen time. This is very direct and actionable. Jadi nggak perlu apa yang kalau bilang nggak perlu basa-basi lah. Jadi langsung aja to the point. Nah, kita disuruh apa di tips kategori itu. Gitu. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, miss.
There is no question.
Yes, miss.
Yes.
No.
No question.
Yeah.
Oke, kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, berarti kalian sudah paham. Good job. Nah, now quiz time.
Yes.
Yes. So take out your smartphone and go to Blue Kit. Blue Kit. I will send your pin code.
Ini nggak ada kuota nih.
Miskin.
Ya,
Nah, ini kodenya ya. Ada nggak?
yang ini kan utang dulu.
Sama coba aja. Buka, bisa belum? Bisa bikin akun dulu. Enggak, langsung aja yang bikin ya.
Oh gitu.
Ada? Ada. Ada satu.
Ada.
Ini aja. Terus ada. Oh iya. Namanya yang apa?
Kabarnya di mana?
Oke, baru 3 ya, nanti 3 lagi.
Nanti
Loading,
miss.
Oke. Pak Pika udah semua ya? Ya. Are you ready?
Aku mau
Ready.
yes, miss.
3, 2, 1. Ready, go.
Ngapain nih?
Kita ada di
salah ya?
layar kalian.
Oh, aku tahu ini.
There is only 5 questions.
Menang.
Kalau salah berarti kalian gak berhati ya.
Aku yang mana ya? Terus?
Siapa ini belum maju? Aduh, aku gitu. Tunggu, Min. Ih, bener.
Ya, salah.
Aku yang mana sih?
Yes.
Aku benar nih. Mau dikumpulin. Yeay, aku
Siapa
siapa?
itu? Gimana lagi siapa itu?
Ya sudah, sudah.
Ih, Amin.
Yeay.
Siapa ini?
Aku.
Di urutan ketiga ada siapa itu? Ada
Diva.
Diva seperti pada. Yang kedua ada Miwalai kelas dan yang pertama
Tadi
ada
saya.
Hesti gitu. Okay, let's review the first number. What is the main purpose of a text type of procedure text? Kalian tadi jawab apa? Ada yang
Apa
salah?
aja?
Aku salah.
Kamu salah.
Yang hijau.
Yang hijau.
Yang
Ya,
hijau.
ini the right answer. To give advice or practical steps to do something correctly. Nah, this is the main purpose of tips category. Okay?
Yes, miss.
Remember, yeah, this is the right answer.
Iya.
Okay. The second question is, nah, in a tips procedure text, what section is usually omitted compared to previous? Omitted itu apa sih?
Ada komitmen.
Komitmen
Kan gadis.
bukan, omitted apa coba?
Oh itu nggak boleh.
Ya, nggak ada ya, nggak ada di dalam si teks itu. Berarti jawabannya material seperti dari dia. Pasti tadi ada yang salah ya.
Iya.
Biasa salah.
Pasti salah kok, tapi nanti di sini Untuk semua semua.
Mungkin kecepatannya ya.
Iya, kecepatannya. Kamu kurang cepat.
Nah, oke. Jadi in a tips further text, what section is usually omitted compared to food receipt is materials or ingredients ya.
Ya,
Title harus ada, goal pasti harus ada, step juga ada gitu. Oke?
Ya,
Jadi next question. Which sentence represent a correct imperative verb? Structure part of procedure text.
The act.
Ya. Tadi ada yang salah nih.
Iya.
Kalau nggak perhatiin pasti kalian pilihnya yang ini.
Aku
Iya.
Ya kan ada yang pilih ini.
Iya.
Dan
Iya.
pilih
Aku kan karena ada.
Aku yang pilih.
Aku pokoknya yang pilihnya tuh yang panjang.
yang panjang. Nah,
Aku
kan
pilihnya ada seru.
tadi kan dia sudah bilang kalau di tips kategori itu harus yang simple. Langsung to the point aja. Jadi yang plus dia. Oke?
Oke nih.
Oke, next question.
Yes.
Number 4. Nah, change this sentence into a short, practic imperative command. It is important that you do not open suspiciously. Jadi jawaban berikutnya, don't open suspiciously gitu ya. To the point, jadi langsung aja ke yang itu. Oke?
Oke.
Last question. A tips text category always need ingredients or material section. This is true or false?
False.
Ada yang jawab true?
Aku.
Enggak, aku false.
Benar.
Oke, nggak apa-apa. Kalian sudah good job ya.
Ya.
Ya, terus buat. Oke, are you happy today?
Yes.
So what did you get in this lesson?
Structure.
Apa structure-nya?
Goal.
Goal?
Ingredients.
No, there is no ingredient. Okay. There is only goal and step because this is tips category. Ini bukan food receipt, oke?
Yes.
Remember ya guys?
Remember.
Oke.
Oh.
Tadi language feature-nya ada apa?
Imperatif.
Kayak contohnya?
Ada close the door. Close the door. The sugar.
Don't eat, don't
Cut the
move. Oke, good. Jadi today we learn about tips kategori ya.
Oke nih.
Biasanya fokusnya pada behavior, lifestyle, or
Daily
anything.
conversation.
No,
Habit.
ya, oke. Jadi language feature-nya tadi ada imperative verb dan auxiliary instruction-nya only two part ya.
Oke.
Goal sama
Step.
Oke, before we end this class, I have this project for you.
Yes.
For next meeting.
Oke nih.
Next meeting project. Create a digital lifestyle infographic poster using correct generic structure and clear imperative verbs. Ini individu ya. Kalian boleh, you can using Canva or anything. For example, like cyberbullying or spell check or anything lah, up to you ya. Itu gimana kalian aja ya. Yang pasti harus gunain ini ya, generic structure yang tadi sama imperative verbnya harus clear, oke? Yes, clear. Okay, I think that's all for today. Forgive me for all of my mistakes. See you next meeting, inshallah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.